Welcome back to part 5 of our 5-part series regarding nursing home negligence and abuse. My name is Christopher Burk with the Patriot Law Firm. We help victims of nursing home abuse and neglect in Nevada, Arizona, and California. The final step of this is, okay, so we've established that there's probably some abuse or neglect somewhere going on with either yourself or a loved one or a friend. What do you do? Well, number one is absolutely contact our law firm. Our number, 702-620-2020. That's 702-620-2020. You can contact us on our website, which is fightforthelittleguy.com. You can email me if you like, chris@thepatriotlawfirm.com. One of the things you might want to get in order is make sure you have all those photos that we talked about in the other parts of the series. If you have medical records, great. We're going to need to look at them for sure. So you're going to be able to fax those over to us, email those over to us, Dropbox, FileVine, whatever you have, electronic means, or you can just give them to us in person. We still accept mail. Either way, I want you to get a hold of us, contact us. The problem with a lot of these nursing home cases is there is a very, very limited statute of limitations. So in most states in the Southwest, it's a 1-year statute of limitations. Arizona can be a little bit different, but be mindful of that statute because we have to have medical records. We have to try and get expert opinions lined up. So it's best to hurry up and get those things over to us. We want to start digging in and see if we can help you immediately. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can contact us here. You can contact us at the office. You can contact us on email, like I said, or on Facebook. I look forward to hearing from you. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.